Ucraft website builder review. Watch before using. Most people get website builders wrong. They assume they are too limited or hard to customize. The surprising truth about Ucraft is that it combines drag and drop simplicity with advanced features, and you won't believe how professional a site you can build without coding. Here's how it works. Ucraft provides templates, drag and drop elements, e-commerce tools, and SEO features. Users can customize layouts, integrate apps, and connect domains effortlessly. For example, a small business owner can create an online store, add products, set up payments, and launch within a day. Most people get this wrong. They think website builders are generic, but Ucraft balances ease of use with professional-level flexibility. Additional features include responsive design, blogging capabilities, multilingual support, and analytics integration. Users praise its intuitive interface, creative templates, and strong e-commerce functionality. However, there are considerations. Some advanced features require a paid plan, and support response times vary. Most people assume all builders are the same. Ucraft stands out with design freedom and comprehensive features. In conclusion, Ucraft is ideal for entrepreneurs, creatives, and small businesses looking to build a professional, customizable website quickly and efficiently. Subscribe for more honest reviews of website builders.